The CITWC Nature Park is located on the campus of the Church of Toledo Westside Community Church at 6109 West Bancroft Street in Toledo, Ohio. To enter the nature park, take the driveway to the parking lot behind the church. I just completed a walk of the main access trail from the parking lot here at the Church in Toledo Westside Community Nature Park, CITWC Nature Park. And I'm at the back of the property at the south boundary of the property, which is bordered by a creek. And since I need to go back, I will take the west trail. It's one of those nice sunny days here in Northwest Ohio. We've gone through about 2 weeks of cloudy gray days, and I thought it would be a nice day for a walk. We're come to the intersection of the Pussy Willow Spur, which is to the right. It connects to the main access trail. You have 3 benches along the creek, so if somebody wants to walk out here and just sit and enjoy watching the water, watching nature, see if any birds fly by, whatever, they can do that. You may have noticed in the video these red and blue stakes along the way, and some places you'll see white ones. Those are just there to help mark the trail. One should be able to see the next post when standing at one of the others so they can see where the trail goes. We have a lot of invasive plants here that are not native to Northwest Ohio, and one of them is called Oriental Bittersweet. And it's kind of a vine that grows up into trees. And let me go off the trail here to show you some of it. As you can see, here is a tree that has fallen over. But look at all this Oriental Bittersweet that has grown up. Ooh, I got stuck. And has grown up. It has an orange berry that birds will eat. and spread this around. But look at the growth on this. And what's so bad about it, it will grow up into the trees. And this tree was probably pulled down by the weight of all these vines on it. That's with ice. We also have in the park holly, which I'm told is not native to Northwest Ohio. It is native to Ohio, but other parts of Ohio. And somehow we got a lot of it in here. Now I got to get back to the path. In the spring we'll be able to see a colony of mayapple here. We only have 2 colonies here in the park. One of them's here along the West Trail. The other one is near the beginning of the Scripture Trail, which is near the parking lot. I enjoy walking this West Trail. It has a nice winds in it, bends and turns that I really like. This seems to be an area where we have a lot of this Oriental bittersweet growing in. Let me again step off the trail and show you this, how big this stuff can get. See, it winds through here. Let it going up. Just going up into the trees. Here we got a mess of it right here, winding around itself, winding into the tree. And you can see up there how thick that is up there. I was just choking out the top of that tree. "20 or 30 years ago, it wasn't like this in this woods, I'll bet." Here's another area example of what this bittersweet can do. Is when this tree was younger, this vine started growing up. Look how it has choked into this tree. I think that's a cherry, one of our natives. And then it just goes up. Amazing. Here we are at the intersection of the Mayapple Trail, which runs to the right. It crosses over the main access trail and connects to the East Trail. And we so named it because we, in the spring of 2020, we were able to get about 50 mayapple roots, and we planted several colonies across there. And I'm just excited, waiting to see if any of them will grow. And we get a bunch of mayapples, which is native to this area, and have those growing up in our nature park. We do get deer through here. We get a lot. We have probably last year, I would estimate, we had a herd of deer that were at least 11 strong. And we had fawn born. We had, I think, triplets. I know I've seen the deer as they've grown too. It's been fun getting pictures of them with our trail cams. Here we are at the other end of the West Trail. It meets the Prairie Circle, and I'm going to go this way, which will take me back out to the end of the Prairie Circle, or the entrance. And here we're getting shots of our prairie, what it looks like in January. And back to the parking lot.